Hey everyone, just wanted to post a quick update. I had done a review on these sawhorses almost a year ago, and I got a lot of questions after posting the video on where people could find these sawhorses, and then I realized they were no longer making them. No one had them in stock. Well, I just checked on Lowe's, and they're now stocking these sawhorses again. So check out the review. And if you're interested, I highly recommend these. This isn't a paid promotion or anything like that. Really great sawhorses. Check it out. Before we get started, just a quick bit on these sawhorses here. These are some TOUGHBUILT sawhorses. Really love these. They're awesome for traveling in a truck. I don't have a trailer, anything like that yet. So they fold right up. The legs, you can adjust them to the height that you need. So sometimes you want the sawhorses up higher, sometimes you want it down lower. I'm going to set them on the highest setting for today. Made out of metal, they're really tough, sturdy sawhorses. I don't know what the weight rating is on it, but I'm sure right here, 1,300 pounds they can hold. Just super convenient, and just one of the things that make my job a little bit easier, and in the end that helps the customer because it makes me a little more efficient. So just thought I'd share that with you.